In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add Affirm payments to your Wix website. To start, you first need to access your Wix account. This can be done by navigating to Wix on your internet browser and entering your login credentials to take you to your account dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, your next step will be to find the Settings option. This can be easily located on your dashboard. After clicking on Settings, a drop-down menu will appear from which you need to select the Accept Payments option. Click on this to navigate through the payment options that Wix provides for its users. Here, you will notice a tab that says See More Payment Options. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a wider range of payment methods. Next, you'll come across an option on the side labeled More Third-Party Payment Options. Click on this to open up even more choices for payments. Among these options, there is a tab labeled View More, and I'd like you to click on it. You will then land on a page displaying multiple payment options, and you are tasked with locating the Affirm option. If you're still having trouble, remember to scroll down until you come across an option labeled See More Payment Options. Clicking on it should reveal the Affirm payment option. Now that you have found Affirm, the next step is about ensuring your business location is correctly set. It's important to have your business location set to the United States or any other country that is supported by Affirm. With your location properly set, you can proceed to connect Affirm to your Wix website. This can be done by simply clicking on the Connect option next to Affirm. Now, a new window will pop up prompting you to enter your public key and private key. Bear in mind, these keys are information you have to obtain from your Affirm merchant account and are crucial to successfully connecting Affirm to your Wix website. Finally, after you have your keys, paste your public key and private key into the appropriate fields in the new window. Once you have entered the keys, locate the final Connect button and click on it to add Affirm payments to your Wix website. And just like that, you have successfully added Affirm payments options to your Wix website. This feature will open up your website to a wider range of customers and enhances the payment options flexibility for your consumers.